Download and install the ZEVpoint Home app. Next, sign up, connect to the Wi-Fi and switch on the Bluetooth option as well. Next, plug in the charger into the power source and switch it on. Now, click on Add Device and provide all the necessary information regarding Bluetooth and location. Next, you will find the charger in the Discovery section. Click on Add Device. Enter the Wi-Fi details for the charger. Now wait for the device to be completely connected to your mobile phone. In case the device is not visible in the Discovery section, add the charger manually by selecting the Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth option. Now press Next and enter the Wi-Fi details again. Wait for the EV charger to be added and connected to your mobile phone. For using the app-only mode, switch off the Quick Start option. From the home page, click on the Settings option, select the Charging Current menu and select the desired current value and click on Confirm option. From the home page, click on the Charging Mode option and select Fixed Charging. Now, select the desired starting and ending time for scheduling the charging session and then press the Confirm button. For delaying the starting time, click on the Charging Mode option and select Delay Charging. Now, select the number of hours by which you want the charging session to be delayed and press Confirm option. You can also view your previous charging record and consumption pattern from the Record option on the home page.